Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we are cooking brown rice in the Instant Pot, because let's be honest, stovetop rice is hit or miss and nobody wants to babysit a pot. This method is simple, hands-off, and gives you fluffy, chewy brown rice every time. Ingredients: 1 cup brown rice, long grain or short grain both work. 1 1/4 cups water or broth for added flavor. Optional 1/2 teaspoon salt. Rinse the brown rice in a fine mesh strainer under cold water. This helps remove excess starch and makes the final texture better. Add everything to the Instant Pot. Add rinsed rice, water or broth, salt, give it a little stir. Pressure cook. Close the lid and set the valve to sealing. Press pressure cook or manual and set the timer for 22 minutes on high pressure. Let it rest. When the timer beeps, let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes. Then turn the valve to venting to release any leftover steam. Fluff and serve. Carefully open the lid, fluff the rice with a fork and serve it up. You can easily double or triple this recipe. Just keep the ratio at 1 cup rice to 1 1/4 cups water. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze. And just like that, perfect brown rice with no boiling over, no mush, no guesswork. Just scoop, fluff and go live your life. Whether you're pairing it with stir-fry, stuffing it into burritos, this is one of those simple staples that makes a big difference. You can find the full written instructions in the description below. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you like this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.